a medical expert has linked the use of herbs and bleaching cream to the rise of infertility in Jamaican men.
Rasta transportation, you know. Rasta transportation to the world. TV, you know. I love me YouTube, Deep Roots TV. Yeah. Yeah, man. See real roots, them, the man. The real roots.
Greetings, greetings in the name of the Most High, Emperor Haile Selassie I the First, and Empress Menen the Balance. Ladies and gentlemen, you know it's Rastafari Soldier here of Deep Roots TV. If it's your first time tuning in to the Rastaman channel, hit that red subscribe button, build up the Rastaman panel. A noted fertility doctor is blaming the repeated and excessive use of skin bleaching cream for the fall in sperm count among young men in Jamaica. Lecturer and chief embryologist at the Caribbean Fertility Center, Dr. Kamali Carroll, made the revelation while speaking last week at the Forum on Infertility in Men and Ovulation Induction. The forum, hosted by the American College of Obstetrician and Gynaecologists, ACOG West Indies section, was held last Thursday at the Summit Hotel in New Kingston. Dr. Carroll said due to the chemical contained in the bleaching cream, there should be no surprise that men who lighten their skin are experiencing low sperm count relative to those who do not use the toning alternative product. The doctor said lifestyle practices such as smoking herbs is another factor contributing to the low sperm count. She says that sperm count of men who smoke herbs is at an increased risk of being affected if they are also obese or suffer from certain health condition. Her revelation follows the finding of the 2021 Reproductive Health Survey, RHS, which were made public recently. According to the survey, Jamaica's total fertility rate has declined since from 4.5 births per female between 1973 and 1975 to 1.9 in 2021. This has contributed to the decrease in the country's population growth. 2021 household survey captured 3,224 female and 1,784 males of respective age between 15 and 49 years old. The data was collected between August of 2021 and April of 2022. Dr. Carroll was presenting on the decline in overall sperm quality worldwide. Says global, 1 in 20 men has faced infertility. In 2022, Tawana capped the Press Association of Jamaica 2021 Opinion Journalist of the Year Award. She was also recognized as this report was presented. Now, this is a notable doctor, and that was a notable author. I am talking about the bleachers. The bleachers that has been following these artists like teachers. Listen, when you smoke the herbs, you need to make sure that you eat properly, rejuvenate your body. Yo, I man, I make sure say I man keep myself prime, and I man now bleach out I man melanin. No way, no time. Now, Dr. Carroll said that, men that use the bleaching cream, the chemicals, lower their sperm count, and smoke the herbs, lower their sperm count. Now, I man want to find out from you in the comment section, people, why are Jamaican men so, susceptible to use feminine products such as bleaching cream? Do they have this tendency? And they're bold and brave with it. And the population seems to be accepted of it. And we as strong people that are Afrocentric should really look at ourselves and see what's really wrong, especially with the youth, because it appears that we have a psychological issue. Either it's self-hatred or superiority complex where we adore light-skinned people or something of a mental psychosis. But people, I'm telling you, it is a shame. Many evaluation has been made. You can look them up in your library, Google, or on whatever space of information you get it, that the mercury in the bleaching cream create a psychosis that makes you angry, make you forgetful. So it could be analyzed and looked at that the bleaching cream that the men are using to hide their face, to take their face off and do crime, increase the criminal activities in Jamaica, because the evaluation is that they're killing their sperms and they're killing their brother from using a bleaching cream. The mercury make them angry and forgetful, so and they're also killing themselves. So ladies and gentlemen, the Dr. Carroll has made a real important call to the young people of Jamaica to stop using bleaching cream, because it's decreasing their ability to reduplicate. As you see, the statistic is telling you that since 1975, the Jamaican birth rate has slipped from 4.5 to 1.9. And the bleaching cream and the excessive use of the herbs could be linked to impotency among many men, or the inability to fertile a woman. So Dr. Carroll is saying that the bleaching cream and the herbs is linked to a rise in infertility in local men in Jamaica. Leave your comment on this one, ladies and gentlemen. Let me know if I rubbish the doctor attack, or the doctor have a point, because the stat is showing that there's a drop, dramatically more than a 50% drop in the birth rate of Jamaicans since the 70s to now. So what could be going on? Or a wibble out the thing. Subscribe, like, and share. Leave your comment, ladies and gentlemen. More life, more joy, more nappiness. It's your favorite Rasta on the YouTube.
Man, a deep roots, man. A whole junker there. Fly them sitting here, fly. Yeah. Deep roots TV, and a big up on a locking and tuning, sin. Rastafari.
Now me I say, this is Stash speaking. Big up Deep Root, the top boss, the peanut boss. One big up Carwell. One big up everybody, my friend them, my linky them. Big up yourself, Greg. There, you see it. Peanut man, the boss. Up there.
Deep Roots TV.
TV.
Real
Deep
TV.
Root TV. Big up yourself.